Welcome to my 8th episode Baking and Pastry Masterclass series, which will take you from drooling over those items in your favorite local cafe or bakery to making them in your very own kitchens. Some require a little more patience than others because they are the absolute real deal. But once you see the masters I've chosen to help make their divine creations, I guarantee you, you will be back for more. Can you make the sound, please? Yeah. If you ever wanted to know how to create the perfect sourdough, how to make an Insta-worthy stack of pancakes that actually taste and look good, or maybe whatever you could ever achieve making a crisp, layered croissant, you cannot miss this series.
Pull it away. Like that. Look at that. Look, smell the butter.
Join me along with a couple of masters in baking and pastry making as they reveal their most trustworthy recipes. The result is mix of crusty, buttery, heavenly flavors with some other delicious treats in store for you, including crunchy baguettes, sticky and sweet cinnamon rolls, and a chocolate babka that you never even knew you needed in your life. Stay tuned, it's going to be epic.